Okay, we are back at Darry's. We're going to do a little work on the AMC police car, and of course, I need Darry to explain this. What is going on here? You've had this for a while, Darry, or what? What's going? This is what, a 73 or 4?
73.
3 Satellite custom.
Yeah, there's only a slight difference between the grills in the 73, 74.
Right.
Clint Eastwood used one in 2 of his Dirty Harry movies.
Yeah, yeah.
That was a brown 74.
Yeah.
And really the only difference was the grill is
Slightly different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are cool. What's the story? I know you've had it for a while, but I've never really had a good look at it.
I bought it off Kijiji, like probably 3, maybe 4 years ago.
Right.
And the couple that had it down south of Calgary, they just, too much stuff, not enough time.
Not using it, yeah.
Yeah, and he said, you know, I can even deliver it to you. And I'm like, really? Okay, you're on. So I bought it sight unseen. And yeah, he delivered it and just fired it up and drove it off the trailer. Apparently it did have a built 360 in it.
Okay.
It comes with a file folder of every build since, I don't know, King George was there.
Yeah.
And anyway, reading through this, and it was a guy out in BC that had it, that built the 360, 727, 8 3/4 posi back end.
Really?
Yeah, headers, dual exhaust, so it must have, but apparently blew up the 360. So this is a little plain Jane 318 out of a 74 Valiant.
Right.
It's all documented in this folder.
But the other goodies are still there?
Yeah.
The diff's the same and everything?
Yeah, everything else is still there. So,
did you ever drive it?
I never drove it. Dad drove it around the yard a little bit. But, so
what's it in here for then, I gotta say?
I'm thinking I'll just put a couple of patches in the rear quarters behind the wheels. Dust it in. I don't want to paint the whole car.
God, no. No, you don't. No.
But that's getting a little ugly back there, both sides. And like to drive that in. Yeah, the top of the fender.
You gonna drive it?
You gonna dust that in?
Because if you're even slightly interested in selling this to old Scott. Old Scotty would buy this car in a minute, dude. I love it. 318 Satellite. Huh?
He hates this.
I hate these kind of things.
Oh yeah.
Especially original paint cars with vinyl tops and questionable color combinations.
Green on green on green.
Is it a green car?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. It's green and red.
Check out the rockers. Somebody did the old
green vinyl, green paint.
Yeah.
Somebody touched up the rockers a few years ago. Did a little bit of rock guard.
Oh yeah. Well, whatever.
And sprayed over the.
But the chassis is sound and everything.
Well, to be honest with you, I haven't been underneath.
Yeah. Well, we'll slide under.
So.
Oh, it's got big dual exhaust on it, eh?
Oh yeah. It must have been quite a car with the 360.
Yeah. But it's these are fun, man. It's not got too many miles, eh?
I don't know what's it showing.
64 or 84. I think it's 64.
Of course, the guy did the cassette stereo with the boom cannon in the trunk and put speakers in the front doors. And
yeah, that's kind of a shame, but
yeah, it's a shame. See that.
Oh, the bazooka tube.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
the bass cannon or whatever they call it.
Tube.
Oh yeah.
The tube.
Oh yeah.
SAS bazooka.
Great big. Oh, that's a real Magnum 500 spare. Did you see that?
Is it?
Yeah, that's got chrome.
Oh, it's probably a 14-inch.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Looks like the original. That's a deluxe champion. That's probably original tire, original spare.
And with an original dinger.
Oh yeah, it's a little originally tweaked. Yeah.
It's this is a rare car.
Yeah, it's cool, man. 73. Yeah.
I searched for a Plymouth. The cool part between the Plymouth and the Dodge is the Dodge, the sister to this car, has rounded wheel wells. The Plymouth has the flat top, front and rear. A lot of people never caught that. But the
Yeah, these were not a bad looking car, actually.
Well, they were.
I wasn't, you know, the ones after this, like the one your dad has.
Yes, the 75.
Those are a lot more common. Yeah, 75 and up. Like we had one as kids. We had a wagon. My dad bought new 75 Fury Salon wagon, the base wagon. Yeah.
Okay, 318.
Yeah, 318,
Yeah,
super
good,
base. Yeah.
Good cars.
Yeah, blue.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, it was pretty base, but yeah, this is a cool car, man.
Yeah,
this is
definitely.
cool. Yeah.
Okanagan Motors on the back window. Sounds like it's got a BC background. Well, this big fat.
Was it ever
file
registered here?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it's
A
not
couple-
out of province.
No, couple in Calgary had it registered.
Yeah, okay.
I got the pink slip.
Right, so it'll
But
go.
yeah, no, it's kind
It's
of
got
a
the
cool-
original moldings on the side still.
Yeah,
Satellite custom, yeah. Andy's friend Peter's parents had this exact same car when we were kids.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I found one of these out in that Lamont Wreckers.
Yeah,
But it was the shell. There was no doors, no front clip, no
Right.
powertrain,
yeah,
no trunk lid, and I almost bought it because I just couldn't find one.
right.
Well, then this thing pops up
Yeah.
4 years ago, and I'm like, hey,
You're like, take my
I should
money.
probably add that.
I like the hood on these. That's really nice.
Yeah, well, like Dad's, like his 78, it's got a front header, right?
Yeah,
Fiberglass
that's right.
header.
That's right. Yeah.
And the hood sits inside
Yeah,
the
that's
header.
right. Yeah.
So these are totally different. Eh?
Yeah.
3/4
The
red.
midsection's the same. Doors are interchangeable. Windshield's the same.
I would
All that's
think,
the same
eh?
as your dad's. Yeah.
Yeah. 3/4 red. So somebody was pretty serious.
Oh yeah. No, that's really cool.
It's kind of neat, eh? Like
Yeah,
that
and you
is-
know, it's if it's not the original engine, at least they didn't. You know, it looks good. Looks like
Yeah.
it belongs.
They bolted the headers back up, and
Mhm.
it's got a little bit of a rocker tick in it, like tick tick.
Yeah, yeah,
Nothing,
whatever.
sir.
318 stuff.
Runs nice.
Yeah, sure, that's cool.
It's just a cute little car.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I like the vinyl. You know, it's not even rags. Like the vinyl's
No,
decent.
no,
man.
it's not bad.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably getting
There's a
bit-
couple little scabs, but no, whatever, man. This is
Not
a
horrific.
total driver. Yeah, that's awesome, man.
It,
Yeah. I'm jealous.
It's
I know
just-
you've had it sitting here, so
it's
but I'm
just
happy
kind
to
of
see
a-
it inside. That's cool.
Well, I figured we should drive it for a bit and
Yeah.
you know do something with it instead of just leaving it sit in the tent.
Mm-hmm.
Tires will be rotten. And we got the guy that works all day in a mechanic shop. He's underneath the Matador doing
Yeah, yeah. We're over here bullshitting it. Maybe we should go give him a hand.
The office worker and the YouTube channel guy.
Yeah.
Steven.
That's right. I make my living filming other people working. That's my.
That's why I invite Steven over.
All right.
Steven, just. Do you want a light? There's.
Tell you what, I'll tackle that brake thing up here if he's doing that.
Looks
And-
like this thing's already got the saggy butt spacers in the coils.
Does it?
Yeah.
Well, all the more reason for the overloaders to go in there then.
Okay.
Then you can tow your boat trailer without having any worries.
You put your speedboat behind.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you
Light,
guys.
just hanging on the wall. Curiosity's gone.
Oh, look at that thing.
I just need to know how the shock is built.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, we have a little film here. Do you want a hand with any of this? Or you would rather just bash it into the car?
I'll be bashed.
You're just gonna bash it in. And yes, we know that Darry's gonna put the black paint in the wheel wells.
You already
Right.
knew that, didn't you? First, we're gonna Brillo it
Uh-huh.
so that the spray bomb job sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it.
Oh, you got it right. You can't.
Have you seen like a magazine will do a photo shoot on it, and the picture on the front of the magazine it's down low, and inside the front wheel wells it's all overspray, and I go,
Really?
seriously, people?
Really?
It would have taken you 10 minutes with a spray bomb.
Look at Speedy Stevens shock service coming through here,
This is so
It's like
so awesome.
just drive-in shock guy.
Like that would have taken me about 5 nights. Steven says, yeah, half an hour aside, yeah, whatever. Do this
got
in my
the,
sleep. It's got the Midas touch. Remember that
Oh.
saying? The Midas
Got
touch.
it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. There's guys
Right.
that were meant to be mechanics and guys that never will be, but still
Try it.
Get that job.
Oh, there's body guys like that for sure.
Yes, no,
There's
right.
body guys. Yeah,
Yeah. So when you get a guy that just is a natural,
that's right.
fun to watch.
That's right. When he comes over, and you can pay him with beers.
Yeah, that's nice.
The dog is just all over the place and
She's so
rolling
happy,
and
though.
in no hurry. And
Yeah, she's happy. Look at the happy dog. Where's your glasses today?
at home.
Yeah, you don't.
I don't.
He's a regular
Same
contributor.
old shit.